What's up? It's Wednesday, probably. I don't know if I released this on time or not. Doesn't matter. But, in all seriousness, Wyatt 5150 Music suggested another video, but this time it's not Nate Wants to Battle, thank God. If it had been Nate Wants to Battle again, I would have just done it. Damn it, I'm still under the curse of Logan Paul. I still can't commit suicide. Okay. So, there should be at least some interesting visuals in this one, unlike the last one, but I can't understand the lyrics. So, got him. Wait, I don't understand what's happening. Yeah, got him. So, let's just see what this is. This is gonna suck, isn't it? Right, it's Full Metal Alchemist opening 5 rain. I forgot to mention that. Full disclosure, I've never watched a Full Metal Alchemist anime, so I do not know. I only know 2 of these characters, and that guy in the background looks like he just raped a child. Anime titties. That is terrifying. But it's like assassination. Reminds me of that stupid, not stupid, I mean I get killed if I say stupid, show Assassination Classroom or something with that teacher. He looks like a giant emoji. Also, I was going to acknowledge the fact that the kid was out of the armor, even though he's technically binded and has no physical form anymore. His soul is just bonded to that armor. Like that stereotypical, just Mrs. Male character that I can't believe I just said that. Jesus, Aeneas Archesian is a whole different beast I will take care of in its own series of videos. So, that's a good series idea though, but oh my god, she looks like Samus Aran from the Metroid series. Was that Eren Yeager's mom? So is alchemy just an accepted part of this world? Also, why is he... I forgot his name. The person in the armor, not know who is the armor? Whatever. Why is he not leaning against the tree? Would he break it? Can he talk? That's my next question. Come into the light. Stunning. Why does he keep suggesting these so short videos? I can barely get anything out of these. But at least it had interesting visuals I could talk about.